Japanese garden. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Markie. Hi. Hi. Are you cold? You can go to the car now. Hi, Ate Win. Hi. Buffalo cherry blossom. The Japanese garden. Adjacent to the Buffalo History Museum of Nottingham Terrace, the Japanese garden is a jewel within the Olmsted Park system. The Buffalo Japanese Garden was originally conceived in 1970 and completed in 1974 as a gentle horticulture gesture of friendship between sister cities Kanazawa, Japan, and Buffalo, New York. In December 1962, the city of Buffalo joined the United States Sister City International Initiative by connecting with Kanazawa, Japan, and a wonderful history of sharing resources has grown. In 1996, Kanazawa was largely responsible for the major renovation to the Japanese Garden of Buffalo, providing trees, shrubs, paths, and unique stone lanterns. Located behind the Buffalo History Museum in Olmsted Conservancy, Delaware Park. The lush garden and serene lake provide a contemplative refuge for all Buffalo to enjoy. Japanese Garden in Delaware Park was established through special Sister City initiative. And each year, the garden is home to Buffalo Cherry Blossom Festival, which seeks to build awareness of Japanese culture and celebrate the blossoming of 40 cherry blossom trees in the garden. Cherry blossom is just a beautiful tree, and they bloom first before they have leaves. That's why how wonderful it is with the cherry blossom, because in the spring they blossom first, and then after they blossom, that's the time you can see the leaves. So I was really amazed with that, and I'm thankfully that I saw it in my eye and enjoy the beauty of it, because it's just amazing. Yeah. And there's different colors. There's white, there's pink, there's even like a white pink. Yeah, it's like a combination that's just so beautiful. If you go there, it's just so easy. How to get there? The Japanese garden is located next to Buffalo History Museum and is cared for the Buffalo Olmsted Park Conservancy and the Friends of Japanese Garden, an organization of dedicated volunteers. The Buffalo History Museum is building rich in history, as you might have guessed. The building was originally constructed as a New York State pavilion for the 1901 Pan American Exposition. It was designed to be the only permanent structure from the exposition. The garden may be entered through two landscape entrances on the edges of Buffalo History Museum parking lot. The one on the west side has a step path that is lined by flowering cherry trees and leads to the monument stone honoring the donors of the original garden. A pathway leading across the hillside below the History Museum leads directly to the heart of the hillside garden, with rugged stone steps that were placed by master gardeners from Kanazawa. Stepping down through the garden leads visitors through extensive planting and dry cascade of cotoneasters to the Jesse Kriegel pathway. It is just so beautiful. Go back up!
Uh-oh, the camera went both ways.
The Buffalo Cherry Blossom Festival is an annual event that started in 2014. Its original goal was to bring awareness to our cherry tree growth in Japanese garden in Buffalo and to support the upkeep of this treasure. The mission has expanded to encourage cherry tree plantings in Buffalo in order to bring a springtime blizzard of blossoms to Buffalo following our winter blizzards. Where is the Japanese Garden of Buffalo? It is a part of Buffalo Olmsted Park system located in Delaware Park. How do I get there? Walk to the Japanese Garden from the parking lot of Buffalo History Museum. At one museum court which is located at corner of Elmwood Avenue and Nottingham Terrace. The Japanese Garden is open during daylight hours. Entrance is free! There's always plenty of parking and parking free too. See guys, so you must really check this out because I'm already checking it all the time. All the time. So Buffalo Cherry Blossom Festival is on April 30 and May 1st. Always. And it's a weekend. I don't know if it's always. I think it's always weekend, like the last week of April and May, something like that. So hope you can visit Buffalo Cherry Blossom Garden. It's worth it. It's really beautiful, and stop by and enjoy. Very nice. Arti, baru Arti. Smile. Tita, let's go. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Nagitilapan yung sipon. Dami dong. Dami yung sipon. Kaya, ugas may si ate. Okay, let's go now. I did not use my GoPro. Wala, nice nagyarit eh. Go! Naman sila sa frame, ma. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, and if you want to visit here during the springtime, you can message me or comment down below when it's gonna be. If you want more details about it, just comment here and I'll keep you posted. I hope you love it, because I do. Then always have a souvenir every year. We'll see how big it will be one day. And I would like to thank you so much for watching, and I'm always liking to share to you guys what is, you know, crazy stuff and beautiful stuff and everything like that. So I hope you like it, is my first spring in 2015, the first time I came here. And this is my second spring, 2016, and the cherry blossom is getting bigger, but I still reach it, right? Yep, and this is 2017, third spring. And this is 2018, my fourth spring. Yeah, 2019, I'm so pregnant. Yeah, fifth spring. 2020, this was the COVID time, so it's not a lot. 2021, I already have my baby, and it's still there. And this is 2022, and I'm still here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video, and give me a smile. Mwah.